notes that you sent.
Why? Today we uh, today we finish our chapter. Today we have to prove equation of motion. Proof equation and equation of motion. Uniform circular motion we have already completed, right? Hello.
Hello.
Uh, Yesterday we already completed uh, uniform circular motion, right?
Yes.
Is there any doubt regarding this?
No.
Very good. Today we complete the proof of equation and motion. Little bit, uh, there is a concept of motion in plane. Motion in plane. In new NCRT, the name is mentioned motion in plane. Okay.
Okay.
After the class, uh, you can complete all the question regarding new NCRT. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have uh, first equation of motion. V is equals to U plus AD. We have proved this equation. V is equals to U plus AT. So to prove this equation, we know the formula of acceleration. We know the formula of acceleration, which is V minus Uy t, where V is final velocity, U is initial velocity, and t is time, and a is the acceleration, right?
Yes.
If we multiply a with t, so equation like this: at is equals to v minus u. In next step, minus u, uh, take minus u is equal to here at plus u is equals to v, right?
Mm-hmm.
So our first equation of motion is proved. Proved. Is there any doubt regarding this?
No.
Very good. Now, second equation of motion, which is S is equals to ut plus half ad square. First we take a triangle. Sorry, first we take a graph. velocity time graph. Suppose that we have some initial velocity. We have already some initial velocity from here.
Yes.
Listen, this is the graph. We have already we have already initial velocity which is u and final velocity which is v. If we calculate the difference which is v minus u, right?
Yeah.
Here. Now we calculate uh, we know we calculate the area. If we calculate the area of O A B D O A B D. If we calculate the area of OABD, so we say that area area of rectangle area of rectangle which is OACD, right?
Yes.
Here is a point E, and this is a triangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
So add area of triangle which is ABC, right?
Mm-hmm.
Next step, we know that area of triangle is a length into breadth, width, length into width, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can say OA multiply by OD या DO, right?
Yes.
AO and DO. And area of triangle, which is half base into height, right?
Mm-hmm.
If this is a triangle, this is the triangle. In this triangle, this is a base CA
Mm-hmm. So
and
then
height
it
is
would be half BC times CA.
right. Isn't it clear or not?
Yes.
Very good. Now we say that AO is a U, AO is a U,
Mm-hmm.
and DO, DO is DO and CA is equal to T because in x-axis we take time.
Okay.
So here time and even we say that OD, DO या OD is equal to AC.
Then where did square come from?
What?
Equation is half 80 squared. We know
Yes.
what T is. Where did the square come from?
Just wait. This much part is clear or not?
Yes.
I am say OD is and AC is equal in length.
Mm-hmm.
If we said OD is equal to T, so then we also say AC is also equal to a T.
Mm-hmm.
Then if we calculate BC, so we can say BC is equals to BD minus CD. BC is equal to BD minus CD. If we calculate this much length, so we can say BD minus CD. Then remaining this part, can we calculate?
Mm-hmm.
Even we can say that EO, this much length, EO, right?
Yeah.
Minus OA, yeah, AO, right?
Yeah.
Which is equals to V minus U. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, now we use the equation, third equation of motion, second equation of motion, which is QT plus half AT square. We put the value as this in this equation, which is AO into DO plus half CA into BC, right?
Mm-hmm.
So AO is equals to U and CD is equals to T plus half into, we can say T. BC is equals to V minus U, right?
Yes.
Even we can say we know the first equation of motion V minus U is equals to AT, right?
Yes.
Then we substitute the value, substituting the value of V minus U from equation of motion. Yeah, we can say first equation of motion. Now we put the value S is equals to UT plus half into T V minus U, which is equals to AT, right?
Yes.
Now we can say UT plus half T into T is equals to T square into A, which is look like S is equals to UT plus half AT square. Hence proved.
Wait, what is S again? I forgot.
What?
What is S again?
S is the displacement.
Okay.
Ardhana, listen. We already proved the first equation of motion. How we can prove the first equation of motion? We know the formula of acceleration, which is v minus u is equals to t. Yes or no?
Yes.
Uh, so we can multiply a with t, a into t. Then equation become at is equals to v minus u, right?
Yeah.
So if we minus u take to is equal to that, then we can say at plus u is equals to v.
Yeah.
Then the first equation of motion is proved, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Now second equation of motion, is as is equals to ut plus half at square, right?
Yeah.
Now this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. We plot in x-axis is a time and y-axis is a velocity, right?
Yeah.
We have already some velocity which is initial at this point. Initial velocity is not zero. We have already some initial velocity, so the graph is moving forward because we have already some velocity. After that we have some final velocity, right?
Yeah.
So if we calculate the area of this much rectangle and the triangle, so we use the area of AOBD, OABD, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
OABD. Now, in the area of OABD, we have a one triangle and one rectangle and one triangle, right?
Yeah.
So calculate of area of triangle. The formula of area of triangle is length into the width, right?
Yeah.
So length is OD and length is OD and width is OA. So we calculate using after that we use the formula of area of triangle, which is half base into height. Base is CA, right?
Yeah.
And height is VC, right?
Yeah.
OA is U, OA is U, DO and CA equal in length. OD and AC are equal in length, right?
Yeah.
So if we say that is equal to T, then we can say that AC is also equal to a T.
Yeah.
Very good. If we calculate VC, so we can say that of VD minus CD, right? VD minus CD. Then we
Mm-hmm.
calculate this length, which is V minus U.
Yeah.
Now we put the value in this equation. OA into DO plus half AT is half base into height. OA is equals to U, DO is equals to T plus half base is T, VC. We know the value of VC, which is V minus U. We know the value of C, which is V minus U, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we know that the value of VC is equals to AT from first equation of motion. See, we know the value of V minus U, which is equals to AT.
Yeah.
Now we substituting the value b minus u and we put the value of v minus u at. So a t with t is t square. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. And now the equation proved.
Okay, yeah.
Is there any doubt?
No.
Correct. Now we prove third equation of motion, which is equals to v square minus u square is equals to 2as, right?
Yeah.
Yes. We know the first equation of motion, which is right, v minus u is equals to a into t, right?
Yeah.
If we calculate time t, we can say that v minus u is equals to a.
Yeah.
Suppose that this is the equation 1. Now put in equation 2, which is as equals to ut plus half at square.
Mm-hmm.
Substituting the value of t, we substituting the value of t, so we can write as is equals to u, t value is v minus u upon a, right?
Mm-hmm.
Plus half into a, and then t value is v minus u upon a whole square, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So now in next step, we can say that as is equals to, if we multiply this value, we can say u into v minus u square upon में a,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Plus even we can use here formula v minus u whole square, which is v square plus u square minus 2av,
Mm-hmm.
half a v square plus u square minus 2a into v, right?
Mm-hmm. Over is good.
Upon a square, right?
Mm-hmm.
We can say this.
Cross out the is. Yeah.
Now as is equals to, we can write this u v minus v square plus half v square plus u square minus 2vu into में a, which is we substitute, we can subtract minus 2uv and uv, right?
Mm-hmm.
2uv to u minus 2u square plus u square plus v square minus 2vu upon 2a, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now s is equals to minus u square plus v square upon 2a.
Mm-hmm.
This part,
Yeah.
plus value and negative value, we have already cut. right?
Mm-hmm.
Minus 2u square plus u square, which become a minus u square. Yes or no?
Yes.
And
Yes.
this plus v square, which is here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now we simply multiply 2a with s, right?
Yes.
Which is equals to 2as is equals to minus u square plus v square, right?
Mm-hmm.
If we take this value here, then we can say u square plus 2as, which is equals to v square.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hence proved. Is there any doubt regarding these
No.
No.
equation of motion?
No.
No.
Very good. Now we have little bit topic which is motion in plane. The topic name is motion in plane.
Okay.
In NCRT, only name is mentioned motion in plane, not describe in detail what is actually mean by motion in plane. But I will give a little bit idea about motion in plane. Suppose that uh, this is a wall, this is a wall,
Mm-hmm.
this is y axis, this is x axis, right? Suppose that
Yeah.
this wall is here at origin.
Mm-hmm.
If someone is kick this ball, if someone is kick this wall, then the motion of ball is this,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
This is a projectile motion. It is a which motion is this?
Projectile.
Projectile.
So kind of like parabolic motion. So it's going in like a parabola.
Yes.
Okay.
In this type motion, the motion of x is independent to with respect to motion of y, and motion of y is independent with respect to motion of x.
Mm-hmm.
Is there any doubt?
No.
No.
Very good. If we can calculate the acceleration, even suppose that acceleration of x and acceleration of y is totally calculated independently.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Suppose that we have we know that this is a motion along x-axis and this is a motion along y-axis, right?
Mm-hmm.
If the this is y-axis and this is the x-axis, if we take a component, we can say this is angle some theta, which is if there is a theta, then we can say it is a cos theta and this component is sin theta. Can you understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
If you can understand, then you can remember. If you can't understand, so you can don't be a remember for that. But you can remember this. If we calculate if we can calculate velocity or even the acceleration, we use in x-axis we use vx minus ux is equals to 80 for x component.
Mm-hmm.
For y component, we can use Vy minus Uy is equals to 80, right? Suppose that
Yeah.
we can say the velocity of x in x direction is 2 meter per second and final velocity is 4 meter per second and take a time is suppose that 2. So we calculate the value of velocity of x. So we can use this formula, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Listen, this wall is continuous moving in both the direction in x and y, x and y, x and y, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Even we can say that the wall is moving like this, like this motion. Yes or no?
Yes.
See, see first this motion. Wall is moving in y-axis also.
Mm-hmm.
Wall is moving y-axis also, even x-axis also, right? You
Mm-hmm.
can see first the velocity is continuous increasing. Yes or no?
Yes. It's also increasing though, right?
G. First velocity is increasing. At this point, y velocity is velocity of y is 0, but velocity of x is not equal to 0. Yes, because the particle is continuous moving in x-axis, right?
Oh, yeah.
After
Yeah.
that, after that, velocity is continuously decreasing.
Yes.
See, velocity is continuous moving in y-axis. After that, velocity is 0 in y-axis, but velocity is now continuous is decreasing.
Uh-huh.
This type of motion is considered in motion in plane. Even circle is a also example of motion in plane. We know that we have two axes, x and y. So this is a motion considered in motion in plane, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now our chapter is completed. From tomorrow onwards, we start chemistry, right?
Chemistry as in um Protons and neutrons and electrons.
Yeah.
Yes. We start atom and molecule.
Is chemistry a part of physics?
No,
No, they're
it's
two
a part
different
of
things.
chemistry. Atom and molecule and the structure of atom.
Sir, we already, I don't know about you, Thana, but I already did that in school.
Me too.
But it is mentioned in ninth class.
Okay,
Yes. According to NCERT.
okay,
These are two different chapters, but whenever we study these two chapters together,
okay.
okay?
So, in structure of atom, basically, you're going to be looking at how most atoms are what is it called drawn, right? In the there's this model, I think Bohr's model, I
Yes,
think.
yes, yes, yes.
Also, will we be doing like synthesis and
What?
would we
I
be like
I think it
adding
would be,
compounds and everything?
yeah, I think it would be like you would have the atom and then you would draw the